Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On occasion, when you go to open up Act, you might find an error message on your screen that says Act has determined that Microsoft SQL Server is not running. Now, what is that? On occasion, things just happen. Don't try to figure out why. I think we can waste a lot of time on that. But having said that, sometimes this message can pop up and it's not hard to fix. You just need to know what to do. So I'm going to show you that in this quick video. First of all, the SQL is the underlying engine that runs Act. Just like your car has an engine, this software has an engine called SQL. And when that engine doesn't run, we've got to start it. So to do that, it's really rather simple. And what I'm going to do is show you how to do that. First of all, I am going to make sure that you know how to get in to those areas very easily. Right down at the bottom of my screen on the left-hand side, I'm going to type in services.msc. Services.msc. And you'll notice as I start typing it, up on the top it shows me services. But just to complete this, I'm going to type in services.msc and I'm going to press enter on my keyboard. Now, what we're going to see is this services window opens up. Now, I've got it maximized. I do recommend you maximize it just so you can see everything. And here is a list of all the services on my computer. And right now what I'm going to do is keep in mind I want to get down to the SQL server. So I can scroll all the way down to it. But a little trick when you have a list like this on a Windows computer is because I know it begins with the letter S. I just clicked on anything here in the list and now I'm going to press the letter S on my keyboard. And what it does is it jumps down to all the items that begin with the letter S. Right here, you'll notice it says SQL Server Act 7. As you observe over on the left-hand side, we have a couple options: stop, pause, and restart. Chances are if SQL is not running on your computer, you just have to press start because it's not running. Once you press start and it's running, try to open up Act again. So in other words, close down Act, start the SQL server, and then once you've done that, start Act again. And I think you'll find everything will run as normal. Why this happens, not quite sure. I've seen things like Windows updates impact this. It could be a variety of reasons, but this is a good thing to know about. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you so very much for being here. And as always, if you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you very much. Bye now.